Hey guys, so this is just a quick update on the market gap I'm talking about. Okay, so I just pulled out one of the charts. There are multiple charts like that. So most of them have this, they all start below the market right now, and then they have a market gap in the center here, right? So some of them hit my stop loss. Okay, what is going to happen is probably the market will go and test another level down before rising for this particular chart. All right. Now BABA has the same thing, market gap below. Um, BABA is a bit unique. We may see the market testing to 184 before rising, but I wouldn't be exiting the trade because it's oversold very badly. Okay, so we should be seeing BABA come back into play soon. Alright, so we actually have falling wedge here. Okay, so we will be looking for BABA to come back for rise in the next couple of weeks. Okay, um, okay, XPA as well. You can see the market gap. Okay, so XPA is probably going to fall a bit more. Okay, you can see here it's not oversold yet. Stochastics is oversold, but the rest RSI is not. Okay, so we want to be entering when both is oversold. Now ABIO was not affected. I believe ABIO should be going up today. Yeah, or the next couple of days actually. Okay, ASXC is also affected, but it's already oversold on RSI as well as the stochastic, so we should be looking at ASXC to go up soon. Okay, this is ITRM. Now ITRM one has this drop is too steep. My worry is that it could delist or go lower. Okay, so this is a replay of what happened in the past. Okay, but I am expecting ITRM to actually go up since it's oversold. Okay, oversold. Now you can see here oversold, then it went up a little bit, just a little bit for ITRM in this context here. But I think generally when they have a very steep drop, I'm trying to see whether we have one other steep drop here. We don't have one at the moment. Okay, here's a good run, a good rise here, right? Now unfortunately this one wasn't oversold, but the stochastics was nearly oversold and crossover. This would be a good example. I'm actually looking for this to shoot up. Okay, because we have our head and shoulders pattern down here. Okay, and I'm expecting the second, because this part here is actually this part here. Okay, this is the bigger version of this side here, so I'm looking for this huge rise to come in. Okay, for ITRM, we should be seeing levels down here or potentially down here, this point here. Okay, that means I expect it to break up. Okay, and I think XPA I mentioned already. Okay, yeah, I think that's more or less it. Even Apple had a market gap, but Apple one is definitely going to plunge lower. Okay, the market gap is going down. Market is oversold. We should be looking at Apple to collapse lower than this level. Alright, so this is just a quick example of the market manipulation. So in my point of view, I wouldn't close any trades yet. Even some of them that hit my stop loss is because I put very conservative stop loss. But they are mostly sitting on key levels. Okay, like this one here is still sitting on support level. Now it could go lower, which is why I did draw this megaphone all the way down here, which could actually go up, back up. Alright, there are multiple charts like that. So for those of you who actually took trades earlier with me the past month, I will send in some updates over this week itself to see what we expect next week. But we should be expecting quite a number of green next week rather than this week. This week is like they're purposely hitting oversold levels and making everybody panic sell, and then after that somebody's going to buy big, and the big players are going to buy in big, and then they're going to push the market back up. So IVR is another example.